everyone, this is the part third for the chapter number third, whole number. In the part first and part second, we have discussed various types of the property for the whole number. Just like example, associative property, commutative property, distributive property, closure property, multiplicative property, and division property for 0, for 1. Now in this class, we have to discuss main two major topic. First is division algorithm and second one is magic square. Okay, so division algorithm is simply for capital D. Short form we can write from this formula: capital D equals to small d into q plus r. Okay, simple. This is the simple term dividend, division, quotient or reminder. Okay, and this algorithm is used for checking your answer is right or wrong. So by with example you can easily understand. 535 is divided by 17 and check your answer is right or wrong. So simply first of all, maybe we can change the number. Okay, 535 डिवाइड बाय चेंज बड़ा नंबर लेते हैं, सो आसानी होगी समझने में. ओके, सो 31 535 क्लियर. 535 is divided by 31. So first of all, one time it will be go, so 31, so 3 minus 1 2 and 5. Okay, so now 2 to 5 how many times in the table of 31 will come? So we will check. 6 86, yes it is possible. So next 7 it is also possible. So nearest is 217, so we take 7 times 217 and minus is, it becomes 15, it becomes 1, so 8. So this is your R, this is your Q, this is your capital D and this is your small d. Now after this we have to check that our answer is right or wrong. So we apply this formula. Here capital D means 535, small d means 31 and Q means 17 plus R means 8. Means if we have to solve our RHS, then we have to get our capital D means divided. Okay, so now here we will start. So first of all 31 multiplied by 17, that you can do. Wait, okay, 7 2 and 5, so 5 to 7 plus 8. Now again we added 535. 535 means our LHS equals to RHS. Means algorithm property, algorithm, division algorithm is simply used for checking your answer, that you have to solve your R or Q is right or wrong, that is. Okay, now next topic is magic square. Okay, so next topic is magic square. Magic square means what? Our number of rows and number of columns are right. Maybe same 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. But in our syllabus, mostly 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. But we have to focus only for 3 by 4, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. It is same process, no problem. Okay. So magic means what? So this is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 3 into 3 magic square. Now if we added this column, this column, this column, this row, all rows and diagonals, if your answer is right, then okay. Otherwise this is not a magic square. So okay, this one is given and the question said this is magic square and complete remaining numbers. Okay, so here diagonal sum is given what? 60 plus 10 plus 4, that is your 30. So now we can give the name R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. So now we can see here C1 2 blank, C2 okay 2, or C3 2 blank. So we can take C2 first of all. Now we want 30 here. If here these sums all are 30, then we can say okay this is magic square, otherwise no. So in C2 8 plus 10 here blank, here 30. So 8 plus 10 18, and which number will be added in 18, so it becomes 30, that is obvious 12. Okay, so now we can take R1. 16 plus 8 plus blank equals to 30, so this is 6. Clear? Now C3 means 6 plus blank plus 4, so 6 plus 10 6 plus 4, sorry, 6 plus 4 10, and which number will be added in 10, so it becomes 30, obvious 20. Okay, so now R2 and R3. So R2 is blank plus 10 plus 20 equals to 30. So 10 plus 20 is already 30. So here which number will be added? 0. Okay. So now here blank plus 12 plus 4, 30. 16. So it becomes 40. So here 40. So now you can check. So this is the magic square. Okay. Now chapter number 3, whole chapter number is completed.